Inna the morning, when the chalice get lit, my mind get clear like the world start fit. Sacred herbs that guide me through the rocky road. Turn every load to wisdom, take off the load. Babylon pressure won't bend me spine, but the green root teach me how to realign. Every leaf carry a lesson, every scent carry prayer. From the earth to the soul, pure healing there. Rise up, shall no bow to fear. Truth inna the smoke, make the vision clear. When the heart feel weak and the night get cold, herbs remind me, say my spirit bold. Sacred herbs stop, carry me home. Sacred herbs stop, make me soul full grown. Easy now, brother, stay firm and true. Sacred herbs stop, I lift me through. Sacred herbs stop, can't it again. Sacred herbs stop, burn down pain. Your light blaze bright through the darkest stove. Sacred herbs stop, sacred herbs stop. Make me tell you, life not always sweet. Some days barefoot on the rough boat street, but me learn to bless even bitter rain. Cause every drop water the roots have gain. One unclean, one unpan hope. One eye red, still me find the scope. Me nah chase vanity, me nah sell me name. Me move with purpose, same fire, same flame. What you plant in the soil, it return to your soul. So choose good seed if you want stay whole. Love the earth, no play, no trick. What you give out, that come back quick. Sacred herbs stop, carry me home. Sacred herbs stop, make me soul full grown. Easy now, brother, stay firm and true. Sacred herbs stop, I lift me through. Sacred herbs stop, chant it again. Sacred herbs stop, burn down pain. Your light blaze bright through the darkest stove. Sacred herbs stop, sacred herbs stop. And the road look long, hold on faith and sing your own song. No weak heart can wear the iron crown. Stand like seed and never bend down. Yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. Roots and reason. Yeah, hey, yeah. Wisdom in season. Sacred herbs stop, carry me home. Sacred herbs stop, make me soul full grown. Easy now, brother, stay firm and true. Sacred herbs stop, I lift me through. Sacred herbs stop, chant it again. Sacred herbs stop, burn down pain. Your light blaze bright through the darkest stove. Sacred herbs stop, sacred herbs stop. Rise up slow, beneath the earth still life I go grow. Stone from me heart but me nah stay cold. One good vibe turn iron to gold. Jah plant fire in every soul, fi make the broken spirit whole. So when the night too heavy, hold your ground. Take one breath, let the fear come down. Every scar got wisdom inside. Every dark road bring a brighter side. Dub healing, rub it out, feel it healing. Dub healing, Jah love never stop revealing. Me see the youth them fight for place. Too much pressure, too much race. But the river still carved to stone, and the drum beat call you home. Man a struggle, woman a shine. Plant good seed in a hard time. No need say you perfect, no. Just walk and let the mercy flow. So when the night too heavy, hold your ground. Take one breath, let the fear come down. Every scar got wisdom inside. Every dark road bring a brighter tide. Dub healing, rub it out, feel it healing. Dub healing, Jah love never stop revealing. Hold on, you can't lose if you keep on. Let the pain get in like smoke. Every tear will fall a open hope. From the ash new prayer rise. See the sun in the somebody's eyes. Oh, steady now. Oh, rise up now. Dub healing, rub it out, feel it healing. Dub healing, Jah love never stop revealing. Hold on, you can't lose if you keep on. Dub healing, Babylon pressure can't stop the healing. The sun arise every morning bright. A new day dawn in a pure new light. Babylon them fight us with all them might. But your love overflow, yeah, that feeling right. No man can stop this feeling, this irie blessing. Jah love overflow. From me head to me toe, everywhere I go, Jah love overflow. Them try fi dim me fire, them try fi kill me desire, but me spirit get higher and higher, never tire, never expire. Open your heart, let the rhythm take hold. A story of strength forever untold. More precious than silver, more precious than gold. Jah love keep us safe from the cold. Jah love overflow. From me head to me toe, everywhere I go, Jah love overflow. the sky. Every next breath, that a reason for try. Poor man heart can still be rich, you know. When love in a chest, let the whole world glow. Rough road teach me how to stand up clean. Stone in a the path, still me plant my dream. No bad mind can lock up the open door. Peace in I, and me want it more and more. So me say easy now, breathe out the fire now. No carry grudge on your back, let it drop, let it pack. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all align. If you're unclean, then you walk straight to truth got way, and it carry you through. Man can boast, but the soul no play. What you sow today, come back like rain. Missy brethren suffer from pride and fear. Same sunshine, yet some keep the night them near. Give thanks for the little, for the bread, for the friend. Cause every heart tune have a sweet one name. So me say steady now, choose love over cloud now. No more poison in your cup, lift your head, rise up. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all align. When the river get wild, step on shore. When the ego talk low, close that door. Me can't buy corn, it must grow inside. So me feed my soul and me let love guide. Peace in I, hold it firm and live it high. Peace in I, one heartbeat, one sky. Peace in I, no more war in the mind. Peace in I, light it up, we all alive. We said peace in I, from the gully to the hilltop. Peace in I, let the hatred finally stop. Jah know we born for rise. Love are the real wise prize. Me come here for reason, not for fight. Bread of darkness can't swallow the light. When your heart bruise up, man, hear this truth. A wounded mind still have root. Every sorrow where you hide in a chest turn to stone if you never confess. So me walk slow, I know myself. Put pride on the ground, call help and help. Take a breath, inna the fire, spirit sing. Heal the mind, one sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, holy for love, soul aligned. Heal the mind, let the storm pass, sun will shine. Mankind build cage with unkind words, lock with spirit, take we from birds. But me learn wisdom, no born from nice. It grow in silence, humble choice. If you lose road, no shame in turn. Even coal must burn fi learn. Every scar is a teacher too. Show you where the next step through. Take a breath, not one rush. One little faith can move the dust. Put down the shame, put down the blame. Inna the fire, spirit say, heal the mind, one sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, holy for love, soul alive. Heal the mind, let the storm pass, sun will shine. No chain can hold a healed up soul. No lie can bury a righteous goal. From the crack in the heavy ground, new life rise, pure and soul. Oh, so if you're tired, come stand near. Leave the poison, leave the fear. We no born for drown in grief. We born for rise and find retreat. Heal the mind, one sweet thought at a time. Heal the mind, Jah give peace to the broken line. Heal the mind, holy for love, soul aligned. Heal the mind, let the storm pass, sun will shine.
Dawn light, heart full of questions, head full of fight. Mountain stand still, it not shake, not run. Teach me fi cool like the fire in a sun. Boy, every stone got a story to tell. Every dry leaf know when rain a swell. Me pocket light but me spirit heavy. Nah man, me draw breath and keep it ready. See it clear, see it true. The road change but you still young. When the valley tell you stay down, mountain say rise up now. Mountain reflection, show me the way. Mountain reflection, lead me today. Steady me heart, make me soul strong. Mountain reflection, carry me long. Time I run from my own shadow. Hustle pan hustle till my brain get hollow. But the breeze in the pine tree chat. Soon come home, star soon come back. Me whole life on a shaky edge. Still me nah beg mercy from the ledge. If the world get rude and the road get rough, me climb higher, say one more puff. See it clear, see it true. The road change you but you still young. When the valley tell you stay down, mountain say rise up now. it never fall. So me stand up straight to the rise and ball. No shortcut road for the wise man dream. Truth comes slow like a mountain stream. So me plant good seed in a hard ground and wait for the blessing to come around. Mountain reflection, show me the way. Mountain reflection, lead me today. Steady me heart, make me soul strong. Mountain reflection, carry me along. Mountain reflection, lift me high. Mountain reflection, touch the sky. Steady me heart, make me soul strong. Mountain reflection, carry me along.
Stepping out the yard, my mind gets still. One breath, one law, one iron will. Sun up high and the mango tree sway. Me hear life talk in a humble way. Stone by stone, the road get laid. Small little foot can travel far, me say. Water run deep where the old roots sleep. So me plant good thought and me reap what me keep. So every burden got a name, and every night turn back to flame. Hold your heart, no take no shame. One clear mind, it call your name. Meditation sound, hold me down. Meditation sound, turn me round. Meditation sound, lift me crown. When me lose me way, it bring me home bound. Meditation sound, yeah, it's strong. Meditation sound all day long. Meditation sound, push me on. Small heartbeat turn to mountain sound. If them chat noise, me nah leaning. False words slip like rain panting. Me keep me lane, me keep me light. One good thought beat a whole bag of fight. Make the young one know life not joke. Every sweet smile got a truth we spoke. No beg respect, just live clean. Teach the hands of the build of the me. From yard to hilltop, same deep rule. One calm soul, no easy fool. When the spirit breathe and the ego fall, even sore knees learn to stand up tall. So every burden got a name, and every night turn back to flame. Hold your heart, no take no shame. One clear mind, it call your name. Meditation sound, hold me down. Meditation sound, on the road. Meditation sound, lift me crown. When me lose me way, it bring me home bound. Meditation sound, yeah, it's strong. Meditation sound all day long. Meditation sound, push me on. Small heartbeat turn to mountain song. Inna the silence me hear myself, better than gold on any shelf. If you fall, rise neat and slow, one with the grace and let it show. Meditation sound, hold me down. Meditation sound, turn me round. Meditation sound, lift me crown. When me lose me way, it bring me home bound. Meditation sound, yeah, it's strong. Meditation sound all day long. Meditation sound, push me on. One clean spirit all life long.
Woke up this morning, sun high in the sky. Another day dawning, no time to sigh. Gotta find me purpose before me pass by. Jah give us this life, no time to cry. Tranquil roots, ever running deep in our me soul. Guiding me spirit, making me whole. Tranquil roots, them take away me toll. Jah love and wisdom, them in full control. Some man chase riches, some man chase fame, but true happiness ain't part of that game. Look within yourself, calling out your name. Find your own rhythm, ignite your own flame. Tranquil roots, them running deep in my soul. Widen me spirit, making me whole. Tranquil roots, yeah, take away me toll. Jah love and wisdom, them in full control. Nobody fret over little things, me friend. Life is a journey until the very end. Share your good vibes, let your love extend. On these tranquil roots you can always depend. Tranquil roots, them running deep in our
headlong. Me hear one small voice say stand up strong. Inna the dust and the stumble, inna the rain and storm. Spirit guide me footsteps, never walk alone. Them sell bright promise in a paper cup, but truth stay humble like the breadfruit up. Me not chase shadow when the sun still shine. Me follow the light, we live inside me mind. So me breathe in peace, breathe out fear. Ancient wisdom sing when me ear get clear. Every hard road have a hidden key, and the calm in a storm set me spirit free. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Spirit, keep me higher, hold me firm and warm. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Hold me firm and warm. If me hand get heavy from the weight of flame, me lay down soft, call out your name. No crown, no title, no vanity pride, just a clean intention and a clear-eyed wife. Someone run fast and mash up the soul, but a patient heart keep the old man whole. Me learn from the river if we lose the fight, still reach the sea by trusting the right. So me breathe in peace, breathe out fear. Ancient wisdom sing when me ear get clear. Every hard road have a hidden key, and the calm in a storm set me spirit free. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Spirit, keep me higher, hold me firm and warm. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Hold me firm and warm. When me feel like dust in a burning place, send one drop of courage, one touch of grace. Let me forgive what me cannot change. Let me grow roots in a holy rain. If me lose me way, bring me back again. Not by force, but by mercy, friend. From the broken place, make wisdom bloom. Turn me fear to drum, and me night to moon. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Spirit, keep me higher, hold me firm and warm. Guide me through the fire, guide me through the storm. Hold me firm and warm. Me rise with the sun, feet on the lane. Heart full of reason, mind free from chain. Zion pathway on the road where me choose. Even when the night cold, me can't lose. Babylon chat, but me nah answer stress. Me hold firm truth and me give thanks less. No, me give thanks more every breath, every step. Jah plant the seed, now the faith get rep. When the load get heavy, me lean pon grace. When the world get crooked, me seek the place. One little light in the root boy chest, keep me moving forward, never settle for less. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam me know. Walk blind, me walk in a light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean me soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain high. Zion pathway, carry I. Missy Beer man, run for gold and show, but the richest fruit in a humble grow. One dry bread, one cup, one honest prayer can feed the spirit and lift the weird. Them say, take it easy, me say, take it through. Every wound teach lesson, every storm bring dew. So me talk to the youth, them no give up no. Your bro can sweat, but you still can bow. When the road turn rough, me stand the ground. When the pain talk loud, me hear the sound. Soft voice inside say keep press on. Every step a blessing, every trial a song. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam me know. Walk blind, me walk in a light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean my soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain high. Zion pathway, carry I. Me know say fire can't burn through. Me know say roots grow slow, but strong in a youth. So if your heart get weary, hear this word. Jah not sleep, his mercy still stir. Call me from the dust, call me from the fear. Call me. Show me say the promise still they here, still they here. Zion pathway, guide me home. Zion pathway, let the righteous roam me know. Walk blind, me walk in a light. Zion pathway, hold me tight. Zion pathway, clean the soul. Zion pathway, make the broken whole. From the valley low to the mountain